Okay, so what's up, Savage team? So I hope everyone's ready for 10 o'clock p.m. live going. So we're gonna test out the next Prime, which I don't know if I taste. Just I'm looking at my collection to see which one I tasted and which one I didn't. Which I think I tasted this one on YouTube. I just don't remember. But if I did, we're gonna redo it all because I already have the bottle green, blue, the white and blue, and ice pop yesterday. So let's open this one. Okay, so this one is strawberry banana. So let's see if strawberry banana actually tastes like strawberry banana. Okay, let's see. Smell first, obviously. Shut up. It tastes... taste. It smells like the yogurt. It tastes like the yogurt strawberry banana. Okay, that's a little bit, how they got it to smell like that? Okay. Hold on. It tastes like strawberry banana. This little strawberry banana. What the is... No, I actually didn't do that. So all of them tasted different, but this one literally tastes like strawberry banana. I gotta stop drinking it. I'm probably like, why should you stop? I want to save some in case I get thirsty. I did this. I'm gonna rate them all too. So wait for that video. So when I have a lot more, well after this one, I'm gonna rate the ones I have, and then when I have more, I'm gonna rate them. So wait for tonight's video on the live. I'm gonna rate the primes. Basically, this one gets a 10 for now. Alright, bye. I forgot to shut the camera off. Sorry, guys.